So guys, we are live, and get your ovens ready, get your cookers ready, get your jikos ready, get your stoves ready, get your gases ready. Yes, we're about to cook something. Gracie is here. She is hiding.
Wow.
Yeah, Dion lens. Guy, me imagine me say about gone lens.
It's okay. How you say it, you know. Tamu sana.
By then she's the chief mixologist. Yes, chief mixologist Aurelia's Kitchen. Yo.
Bless her.
Yo. This chick, she makes fire cocktails. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, to like if you like those videos, if you enjoy them. If you try them out, don't forget to tag me. Yes. Let me just give you a recap of what we've been through or what we've been having for the last 2 lives, the last 2 weeks that we've been having these lives. It's been a regular thing. So the first and second week we were making movie treats or foods that you can make for your movies. Basically, that's it. If you missed any of that, go to my IGTV, go to Trudy's IGTV. You'll see all that went down during those days. So for now, today we have another series or another topic or another title for this whole thing. So we are doing food games, like food you can make to play your games with, or food you can make to make your games more interesting. Yes. On the menu we have chicken feet, then we have JB, then we have fish, it's raw fish. We have Sprite soda, basically Sprite, lemon flavored. We have salt, we have lemon, we have coffee, instant coffee that is, we have chilies, we have bananas, we have ketchup, we have a bowl, obvious, we have mustard, yes, we have mustard, we have watermelon, tuko na mayai hapa hivi, we have ginger, raw ginger, we have garlic. So we just want to start whipping our cream. Yes, one of the recipes you're going to use is a cake. So we're just going to use, this is a 1/4 cup of a measuring. So we just want a cup. So a 1/4 times 4 is a cup. So you just want to add a tablespoon of icing sugar, or 2. It depends on how much sugar you like. So we just want to pipe this. We'll just do the easiest. Missy Joy, what's the easiest? This is like the easiest. I don't know. Don't judge me. Don't judge my piping skills. I'm not a baker. I am a foodie. So we just want something so simple, because mtajua tu, it doesn't matter at the end. So we just want to slice this up into cubes, or how do you enjoy them best? Think cubes. Cubes are doable. So what we are going to do to this watermelon is we have some black pepper, yani pilipili manga. Yeah. So to this watermelons, we're just going to drizzle over some black pepper. Yes. So we're just going to slice the bananas like how you do when you're having your salad. Yes. Tutakuja kwenye ketchup, lakini ketchup sio lazima. Kama uko na tomato sauce pia unaweza kutumia. Kama umetengeneza tomato sauce yako mwenyewe unaweza tumia chochote utakachopenda. So what we want to do with this ketchup is just you drizzle a good amount of it to the bananas. Hey, najua wengi wenyu mnashangaa. Najua wengi wenyu mnashangaa, lakini that is the recipe we have today. What we want to do is just take a cupcake and mustard. What we want to do is just use this mustard for frosting this cake. But what we want to do is just frost this mustard over your cake. And just let it be. What is cupcake without decorations?
It's not cupcake.
What is cupcake without decoration, guys? What is?
Without a cup.
Yo! So, this is our mustard cake. I know you've never heard of it. I know. So the next thing we have, easy. We don't have to prepare them; they're already ready. So we have chicken feet, and pepper, chili pepper. These are originally known as cayenne pepper. Here's in your cayenne. These ones, guys. There are so many types of chilies. There is capsicum, like the hoho. There is habanero chili. There is cayenne, which is what we're going to have. Halafu kuna kichaa, pilipili kichaa mwanangu Wajua pilipili kichaa? Zile ndogo. I know you know.
Tunaona tudogo.
Tu uto. Hizo.
Ziko na kichaa what?
Ndio maana zinaitwa kichaa. Those things are crazy hell. When you eat one, that's just enough. I don't even think you can finish one. Ndio maana zinaitwa pilipili kichaa. So we'll take like, I think this is like a half teaspoon of soy sauce. What you want to do is take your soda and pop it. Pop that soda. To make what? What does that look like? What soda does that? Alafu watunguyas. The last one. No, this is not the. Why am I saying last?
Uko na list bado.
A tablespoon of cream. That substitutes ice cream. Just to make it sweet. Raw egg. And milk, like 2 tablespoons of milk. Remember, our whipping cream has enough sugar, unless you are a sugary tooth like I am. But for today, our smoothie is just can you taste? Like seriously,
Yes.
can you taste? That one, this one. This is the egg shake. We have lemons. We have lemon. So we're just going to slice it up. So we have some garlic here. What you want to do is just peel it off. So this is our fish and this is our garlic and ginger. This is a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of coffee. Or how much do people take? I think 2
Yeah,
teaspoons.
difference, yeah.
Yeah, depending. Me, I love coffee, so send me 2 teaspoons. Is add your water. What we want to do is get right into the game. Yes, we're playing a game. Gracie is getting ready for the game. So what I basically showed you guys is how to make or how to do interesting foods when you're playing your games. Yeah, interesting foods when you're playing your games, or how you can incorporate food games in your games when maybe you've gone for a sleepover, or when when you're just having fun with people. So yeah.